Okay children, welcome back to maths class. This is the place value chart of a decimal number or the decimals. First we have to place the decimal point. To the left of this, whenever we are writing a number, we'll start from ones, right? But here first you have to place the decimal point. To the decimal point, left side, ones, tens, hundreds. The value of the digits will be increased here. O stands for ones, T stands for tens, H stands for hundreds. If you are going to right to left, the value of the digit increases. And after that, after the decimal point, next place is tenths, hundredths, thousandths. If you see this one, this is 10, this is 100. Okay. Now tens, TS stands for tens, HS stands for hundreds, THS stands for thousands. I am denoting these by using the small letters. Okay. Now here the decimal point. Tenths means 1 by 10. Hundredths means 1 by 100. Thousandths means 1 by 1000. Now decimal point 1, 10, 100, and if you see this, 1 by 10 means 0.1, 1 by 100 means 0.01, 1 by 1000 means 0.001. Okay, got it? Now this is the decimal point. Okay, now I am going to take a number and we are going to place it in the decimal place value chart. Okay, so here 876.93. First you have to place the decimal point. This is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place. This is tenths place. This is hundreds place. So place 6 in ones place, 7 in tens place, 8 in hundreds place, 9 in tenths place, 3 in hundreds place. Now nothing is there, you can place 0 also, no problem. And how to read this number? Yes, 876.93. You have to read the number which is in decimal part separately. Okay, 93. You have to read it as 876.93. So, always read this part which is after the decimal point separately. Okay. So, now here 876 is called the whole part. The whole part or integral part. Whole part of the decimal number. Whole part of the decimal number. And 93 is called the decimal part of the decimal number. Decimal part of the decimal number. So now how to read it? 876.93. So we are going to write the number name for this. Ones, tens, hundreds, tenths, hundreds. EIGHT 8, HUNDRED 100, SEVENTY 70, SIX 6, 876, point and you have to read these separately, right? So this is 93. So 876.93. Okay children. Now see this here. Tenths means when 1 is divided into 10 equal parts, then each part is called 1/10. If you observe here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 10, we are taking one part is colored, so its fraction is 1/10. What is the decimal form? First write 1. One digit is 1 0 is there, so one digit before decimal point. Now this is 0.1. Okay. Next, hundreds. When 1/10 is further divided into 10 equal parts, out of 100, we are going to take only one part. This is 1/100. First place 1. There are 2 digits. So 2 digits before decimal point. So we have to place 1 0 before the decimal point, and here 0. 0.01. The decimal point before nothing is there means you have to place 0 definitely. Okay. Now thousands. When 100 is divided into 10 equal parts, then each part is called 1,000th. So always read the digits after decimal separately. So we have to read it as 0.001. 0.001. Okay. Now in our textbook, read and write the number names of the following. Now I have given you one example, right? This is from exercise 5.1. This is 25.12. 138.123. 781.001. 212.51. 345.105. You shouldn't write 105, right? 345.105. 292.292. 78.078. 287.222. Okay. Now I am going to show you how to write for the first two. The remaining you have to do for homework. The first Roman, remaining problems do for homework. Okay. Okay children, exercise 5.1. First Roman A, 25.12. You have to read it as 25.12. What the spelling of 20? TWENTY, 20. FIVE, 5. 25 point. POINT point. 12. ONE1 TW2. So this is 25.12. Next B1, 138.123. How to read this number? 138.123. What the spelling of 1? ONE1. 100. HUNDRED 100. 30. THIRTY 30. 8. EIGHT 8. Point. POINT point. 1, 2, 3. ONE1. TWO2. THREE 3. Okay. 25.12. 138.123. In this way you have to write. Thank you.